What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Pat Outdoors. Today I'm going to be taking out the electric YZ250. I have not had a chance to ride this thing in months. Been a little distracted with all the other bike projects and house shopping, but today I'm actually going to go to my boss's property to work on his Talaria Sting R. His place is freaking beautiful. I think he's got like 260 acres with a lake and an airstrip. So I figured it'd be a good day to take this thing out and go flat out and see how she rips. Unfortunately, one of the contractors that works for him recently crashed this thing a week after he got it, but I just installed this new headlight upgrade, and I also replaced the handlebar, brake levers, display, and I'm also replacing this bent kickstand with a adjustable one by Warp 9. The LED headlight upgrade is by Baja Designs. That shit is bright. Too freaking short to get on this thing, so I'll have to post it up against something. This thing is a freaking beast. I forget how much power this thing has. This is still in the middle setting too, and I can't believe how much torque this thing has.
Apparently they cleaned it up.
Oh yeah? Go for it. Yo, I kind of wanted to drag race on the airstrip. Don't you? Huh? I kind of want to see where this tops off.
I know, right? Again, when we're back, we're making it all
This place is freaking beautiful. Got a farm out here. Damn.
Yes, ready?
Yes. All right. This thing's a beast. Dang, I don't want 5 acres anymore. I want like 100. Fuck. Bro, that little gap over there, fucking.
Sketchy, isn't it?
Yeah, there's like a little strip for my bike.
That's why I was like, I'm going as fast as I can.
See where their top speed is at. No, this thing's running lower on voltage now.
I can't do it. I was gonna say I'll do one, but like after one, my fingers are like fucking frostbit.
I think it's supposed to be like 0.7 or 0.8 mile long. I just can't even imagine having this at my own property. Like, I would just do pulls with my car all freaking day. I would just invite people over and have them bring their fastest cars and just drag race all the time. Why don't you call it?
How you go?
Voltage cut off since the battery's too low. So damn, it's a shame we didn't do this earlier. Yeah, unfortunately this thing keeps cutting power if I'm doing long hard pulls with it. If the voltage is around 73, I think it drops down to like 66 volts under load when I'm accelerating hard, so the controller cuts off. I wish we went drag racing when this thing had like 82, 83 volts. I have no doubt this thing probably would have hit 60 miles an hour. All right, well, that was freaking fun. I'm so glad that I got to take this thing out. I completely forgot how much fun it is to ride this thing. It is so much more powerful than my Talaria or my Kawasaki. So I'm definitely going to be making more content with this if you guys are interested.